In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F05 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then tap on the icon of it, select Open in split screen view and click on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and hit home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!